आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, बहुत टाइम के बाद मैं एक फ़ोटोशूट करा रही हूँ, वो भी मुंबई में, बिकॉज़ ज़्यादातर अब मैं साउथ पे काम कर रही हूँ, तो मैंने वहाँ बहुत फ़ोटोशूट्स कराए हैं। और इस बार फ़ोटोशूट जब मुंबई में कराया, विच इज़ ऑलमोस्ट आफ्टर आई थिंक 5 to 6 months, तो सोचा कि आप सबको इनवाइट करते हैं। सो थैंक यू सो मच फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर कमिंग हियर, फॉर बीइंग द पार्ट ऑफ द फ़ोटोशूट। एंड बहुत अलग तरह का फ़ोटोशूट ट्राई करने की कोशिश करी है, बिकॉज जनरली लोगों ने मेरे को वेस्टर्न आउटफिट्स में बहुत ज़्यादा देखा है, एंड देयर इज़ ऑलवेज बीन लाइक कि आप इंडियन क्यों नहीं ट्राई करते। सो आई एम वेयरिंग दिस ब्यूटिफुल इंडियन आउटफिट, एंड पर्सनली आई लव वेयरिंग इंडियन वेयर, आई लव wearing suits. I feel very comfortable wearing suits and anarkalis and things like that. And sometimes I take out a sari from my mom's wardrobe because she's got some really nice and cool collection. And I try it. And today I thought कि चलो एक Indian try करते हैं. And this is what I'm wearing today.
Manara, your first movie, it was a sensual kind of movie, very bold movie.
Yes.
So do you feel proud of being the movie as such?
I'm very proud of whatever I do in my life, and currently I'm working on 3 to 4 films, and they are very different kind of roles, and I'm proud of each one of them, and I just hope that once people are going to watch it, they're going to appreciate it.
You started your journey working with the Dabur Red, then with Amit Trivedi, and then getting the movie and putting the song. So how has been the struggle as such? It was a struggle or it was a fun phase kind of thing?
I would just say yes, you are right. I started, I even did a Ghana commercial with Amit Trivedi, as you just mentioned. That was a fun-loving, a very cute 18, 19 years old girl, and who's a college-going girl. And it's never been a struggle, because I think in this industry, if you work very hard, there is no struggle for anyone. Bombay is a city where everyone is running for work, and there is enough work for everyone.
And your mother, you consider yourself a Barbie as what is that? What's that? I mean,
Well,
what's your name as such? Manara, Chopra, Barbie?
my name is Manara, and it means something that shines, and I think I love my name.
Okay. And being a cousin sisters of Priyanka, Parinti, and Meera, how effective it's getting a project in the film industry as such?
I'm very happy that I have my family members as a part of the industry, and it's kind of good because the best advantage is if you are ever getting bored, they are just a call away. You can go to their house or they can come over and you can chill. So I think that is the best advantage, because my family is there in Delhi and I'm working here in Mumbai, and almost across the entire country probably, keep traveling and things. So it's nice if you come back and you have anything, then you can always go back to your...
You have already praised Priyanka work as such in interview, and she have won award for Quantico.
Yes.
So what do you have to say about it as such?
I'm really happy that she has won People's Choice Award for Quantico, and I'm hoping that the season 2 is gonna rock.
Besides that, what are you passionate about besides acting? Are you passionate about anything sports or anything like that?
Anything related to creative arts is something which I'm very passionate about, whether it's painting, whether it's singing, and skating is something I really love. Swimming is something I think it's the best workout, and dance is something which everyone knows. I'd been a dance instructor earlier, so yeah.
Your first movie had a good music, but it did not do commercially well at the box office. So did you heard it? Commercially, it did well. I mean, as per the expectation. So.
I'm very happy with the response. At the end of the day, you should be appreciated by the work you do. And जब भी कोई फिल्म अभी भी YouTube पे देखता है तो बस ये बोलता है लड़की का काम बहुत अच्छा था. So I'm very happy about that fact. That first movie, very difficult role, and even if I try to justify it little bit, is good for me.
मनारा, अगर जॉनर की बात करें तो आगे अगर फ्यूचर में अगर आपको काम करना हो तो कौन से पर्टिकुलर जॉनर, जैसे कोई सोचा है आपने कि इस जॉनर में काम करना चाहते हो, कुछ ड्रीम है आपका?
अभी मैं बहुत अलग अलग जॉनर्स की फिल्म ऑलरेडी कर रही हूँ. एक है विच इज़ जस्ट अ डायलॉग डिलीवरी, इट्स अ कॉमेडी फिल्म, तो उसमें पंचेस बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, वो फिल्म कर रही हूँ. एक है वेयर आई एम प्लेइंग अ साइको अगेन, बट नॉट द साइको एज आई वाज इन ज़ेड. इट्स अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ साइकोनेस, and it's also a lot of humor attached, a lot of comedy attached to it. And the third film which I'm doing, it's a very simple and sweet going girl, a very glamorous outfits, Indian outfits, all that. So different kind of roles is what I'm doing.
From Jharkhand to Delhi to Mumbai, how far has been the journey?
Who told you I'm from Jharkhand? Guys, I'm not from Jharkhand. I mean, born at Ambala and brought up completely at Delhi. My mom got married, and mom is from Ambala and got married, and I've been staying in Delhi all my life. I'm nowhere related. I don't even know where Jharkhand, how exactly Jharkhand looks like.
Information is given that you were born in Bokaro as such.
Really? कहाँ पे लिखा है? मुझे भी बता दो. मुझे तो बिल्कुल नहीं पता.
मनारा, कमिंग बैक टू फोटोशूट, आपने यहाँ पर हैवी ज्वेलरी पहनी है. ज्वेलरी पहनना आपको कितना पसंद है और किस तरह की ज्वेलरी पहनना पसंद करती है?
मेरे को बहुत सिंपल ज्वेलरी पसंद है, बट ऑब्वियसली इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर वेडिंग्स एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट विद इंडियन, यू शुड वेयर हैवी ज्वेलरी. दैट इज द नॉर्म. So I like carrying both of them, and I'm very comfortable in whatever I wear. Oh. I think they have put together the look to be very nice and बहुत Indian look दिया है, and I like the hairdo. It's very simple, and I love the jhumkas, and I think the best way to put it together is you should look simple, and if you look simple, you will look beautiful.
मैम पॉलीथीन बैन किया जा रहा है, तो उसका आपका क्या ओपिनियन है? बैन करना चाहिए नहीं करना?
बिल्कुल बैन करना चाहिए, बट दे शुड ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड अस विद जूट बैग्स और विद पेपर बैग्स, एंड आई थिंक पीपल शुड कैरी जूट बैग्स or some nice bags. There are a lot of trendy bags which are available in the market. I even carry one when I go for my personal household grocery shopping, which I do personally for myself, and that's a very good thing.
Manara, after Zid, did you get any offer from the Hindi film industry from Bollywood?
Yes, I'm definitely doing a Hindi film, but मैं जब उसके बारे में आपको बता पाऊँगी, मैं आपको पक्का बताऊँगी.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for coming.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.